Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the notification animation effect on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Notifications and Control Center. Now select Notification Effect. Here you can choose between multiple notification effects that you can use. Select one you want and then tap the back button from the top left. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.